Hi everybody and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw MoneyGram from an FNB ATM. Guys, I'll guide you through receiving MoneyGram funds via the FNB app into your already linked bank account and withdrawing cash at an FNB ATM, making it super easy to access your money. Whether you're grabbing funds for groceries, bills, or emergencies, this process is straightforward. Let's dive in. First, ensure you have the latest FNB app installed from the App Store or Google Play on your phone. Open the app and log in using biometric login like Face ID or fingerprint, or enter your FNB app password. If you're new to the app, download it, sign up with your email, phone number, and South African ID or passport, and verify your identity. Tap Continue to reach the dashboard. From the home screen, tap the three-line menu in the top left corner, scroll down, and select Forex. Inside Forex, tap Remittances, then choose Receive MoneyGram. You'll need the 8-digit MoneyGram reference number from the sender. Get it via text, email, or a call. Enter this number in the app's Receive MoneyGram field, then tap Find Transaction. The app will pull up the transaction details, showing the sender's name, amount, and currency. Select your relationship with the sender. Options like Friend, Family, or Business from the drop-down, then tap Continue at the bottom right. Read the regulatory declaration carefully, check the box to agree to it, and tap Continue. This ensures compliance with South African financial regulations. Next, review the MoneyGram details, including the amount and any fees. For South African residents, the app applies Balance of Payments, BOP code 401, Gift, automatically. For foreign nationals, it's code 417, Salary. Read the terms and conditions, check the box to agree, and tap Continue. Tap Accept to confirm the transaction. You'll see a thank you screen confirming the transfer was successful. The funds will deposit into your linked FNB account within 1 to 2 business days, depending on bank processing. You'll receive an SMS with an FNB Forex reference number for tracking. Keep it handy. Now, to withdraw the cash, find an FNB ATM using the app's Locate feature, or check fnb.co.za for the nearest one. There are over 5,000 across South Africa. At the ATM, insert your FNB debit card, enter your PIN, and select Withdraw Cash. Choose an amount up to 5,000 Rand per transaction, though 2025 ATM limits may vary. Check fnb.co.za for updates. Confirm the withdrawal, collect your cash, and take the receipt for your records. ATM fees apply. As of May 2025, it's 6 Rand 95 cents for the first 1,000 Rand, plus 1 Rand 50 cents per 100 Rand after, unless your account includes free withdrawals. Unique tip: before heading to the ATM, check your FNB app's Accounts tab to confirm the MoneyGram funds have arrived, saving you a trip if there's a delay. If the funds don't show up, verify the reference number with the sender or ensure your account is active. For app issues, update the FNB app or restart your phone. If the ATM declines your card, check your PIN or try another FNB ATM. Contact FNB support at 087-5759-404 or MoneyGram support via moneygram.com for help. You can also track the transfer in the app's Forex greater than remittances section using the reference number. This method is perfect for quick cash access, like paying for groceries, transport, or emergencies. For frequent MoneyGram receipts, save the sender's details in the app for faster processing next time. Always keep your reference number secure to avoid delays or fraud. By the way, if you want an easier way to access your money than ATM withdrawals, I strongly recommend Wise. I use it myself. Wise gives you a free debit card you can use worldwide in stores or online, and transfers come with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, if you sign up using the link in the description, your first transfer, up to $800, is completely free with 0 fees. It's fast, convenient, and 100% free to set up.